4 foods to help relieve pain and swelling in your muscles and joints. The root cause of any disease is inflammation. In order to relieve pain and swelling, you should treat the inflammation, because that's the main reason for your infection. Most diseases are caused by inflammation, such as heart disease, arthritis, high blood pressure, asthma, diabetes. Inflammation is the body's response to injury. The body starts to defend itself against viruses and bacteria and prompt them to heal as fast as it can. The most common symptoms are pain, soreness, swelling, and you may even experience redness around the affected area. There are 2 types of inflammation: acute and chronic. Acute inflammation is a short-term infection and it lasts only a few days. On the other hand, chronic inflammation is more dangerous and can cause many different diseases. You should consume certain foods to your diet, which include anti-inflammatory properties. Eat foods that are rich in antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and fatty acids. Since they support your immune system and fight against inflammation and its consequences. Here are the best foods to help relieve pain and swelling. Celery. Celery is an excellent source of antioxidants and has many health benefits. It is full of water and completely fights inflammation and viral infections. Broccoli. They are delicious, healthy, and rich in potassium and magnesium. In addition, they act as anti-inflammatories and are strong antioxidants. Salmon. Salmon presents the perfect dish that has a ton of health benefits. They have the richest source of omega-3 fatty acids, also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Due to a study from the National Institutes of Health, those who took omega-3 supplements soothed their joint pain and were able to lower their dosage of taking anti-inflammatory drugs. Pineapple. Pineapples contain high amounts of vitamin C and manganese, also are full of the enzyme called bromelain. They have anti-inflammatory properties that can give the same result as anti-inflammatory drugs, but without any side effects. Meanwhile, you should avoid these foods and limit their intake. Processed meats, sugar and high fructose corn syrup, seed and vegetable oils, artificial trans fats, excessive alcohol consumption,